What's up, guys? Welcome to Blake's Garage, another totally tubular 2-minute tool time Tuesday. Today, we got some stuff going down. I'm gonna be doing some modifications, some welding, some grinding. So today, we're gonna talk about grinders. Oh, I got a new one right here. I figured I'd open it up. Just got this little bench made right here. It's a good little knife, very low profile, very nice, very nice. It's not just any kind of grinder, it's actually a braking grinder, which means it actually stops in under 2 seconds, which is totally tubular and totally cool, and that makes it a totally tubular 2-minute tool time tool. Let's get it out of here because that is such a good safety measure in my opinion. This thing uses the 9 amp hour red lithium battery. Ooh. This is a cordless grinder, which is just super cool. Look at that giant freaking red lithium battery. That thing is a dang beast. That's super nice. Let's kind of get our first little noise test. Ooh, that brushless motor. Oh, and yeah, don't do that, don't do that. Check this out, guys. That actually flips up, which gives you extra bite onto it to break it off, which is pretty neat. So you can install and uninstall grinding discs without having to use a tool. So that is very cool. Comes with an extra little filter right here. So that is like for, you know, metal shavings and things like that. As far as the grinding handle goes, that looks really nice. It also looks like it absorbs a bit of vibration because it does have this rubberized area. I like to grind with it in my dominant hand, which is my right hand. And I like to hold these things with my left. So let's go ahead and chuck up a disc real quick. Boom. Let's watch how quickly this actually stops. You can see that's like 2 seconds. So from grinding to stop, this one will actually brake for you, which is amazing. So unlike my normal one that I use right here, this is a DeWalt one that I have. And you know, this thing has quite a bit of amps. It is corded, but let's watch the difference here on how long this thing takes to stop. As you can see, that thing takes quite a while to stop, which, I mean, it's not a braking grinder, so don't get me wrong there. I know it is a different type of grinder. I'll probably get a corded Milwaukee coming up soon, maybe. You can really never have too many grinders. It's nice to have grinders with flap discs. It's nice to have grinders with cutoff wheels and grinding wheels. Hit me eyeballs. Safety is #1 priority. We're shielded, we're good, we're tubular. All right, let's try out the torque on this bad boy. I wanna see, let's hit some grinded. I put quite a bit of pressure on there, and as you can see, it took quite a bit of a chunk out, and that thing did not bog at all. So it felt really good with that 9 amp hour red lithium. This thing is pretty sweet. I definitely like this. That's a good tool. I want to know, what kind of grinder do you guys use? Do you guys use an air grinder? You know, what are you using in the shop? What do you got? Let me know below. This to me is a totally tubular 2-minute tool time tool to keep myself safe and cool when I'm working on the Birdie 30, and I can't wait to start doing some welding videos for you guys. So we'll talk to you soon, later, and wrench on.